Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh.
Walaikum salam wa barakatuh.
Is it allowed for a woman to ask a man whom she would be marrying to take her to Hajj as well as her mother to Hajj? And thirdly, although my intention would also be to do it as Hajj Tamattu.
So that's the question that is it possible that the man she's going to marry, can she perform Hajj with that man along with the mother? Sister, the person who you have been thinking you'll be marrying or you have been engaged to, yet he is your non-mahram. So Hajj with a non-mahram is totally haram. So you cannot do Hajj that your husband will be your husband maybe after 2 months or 3 months and to perform Hajj together. It's totally haram, sister. He cannot be a mahram. You have to do Hajj with your actual husband after you have done nikah, or with your brother, or with your father, or with your uncle, but you cannot perform Hajj with the person who you will be marrying, or if he's a fiancé. Unless nikah is done, you cannot perform Hajj. Whether it's tamattu, whether it's joint Hajj, whether separate Hajj, any type of Hajj, even Umrah you cannot do with your fiancé, sister. So that's not allowed in Islam. Hope that answers the question.